Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this crazy Township hack for your iOS or Android device, as you can see in the video. So let's get straight into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So the first thing we're going to do is go to this website. It's called zoomods.com. This site has a ton of modded apps and modded games. So once you're on the site, guys, what we're going to do is just go to the search bar and we're going to type in Township. So let's do that together, and as you can see, we got the Township mod. Now it doesn't really matter which one you press on. I'm pretty sure they both are updated. So as you can see, it is now starting to download the Township mod onto our device. So let's just give it a second to go ahead and download. Shouldn't take that long because I got a pretty good internet. Now, before it downloads, there is going to be the additional file thing. So if you've never heard of this, it's mainly aimed at iPhone users, and it's going to say, please install 3 free apps to automatically install the Township mod. Additional files are required. If some do not work, try others. So they're going to show you these apps, and these are the additional files, and what you need to do is download 2 of the apps and follow the instructions. You can see it says download and install, but then this one says reach level 10. So don't be a Dumbo and download the apps and do nothing on them. You have to make sure you're reading the instructions on the app, because each app is different and they're all going to have their own instructions. So for instance, I don't even know which one I clicked on, this golf one. I have to reach level 10 on the game. Now, I did Family Island. You can see right there it says reach level 10. That's the one I did. They're really easy to do, but if something is very bothersome to you and you just feel like it's way too hard, they got 4 to choose from. And I'm in the US, so if you're in another country, they're probably not even going to be the same apps. But who cares, right? Just complete the verification and get your Township hack.